Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I customize and apply my wigs. This wig is from Ywigs. All the information and details for this particular wig will be down in the description box. So this wig came with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and 1 on like the frontal part. And here I'm just cutting off the comb that is on the frontal part because it lays a lot flatter when you cut that comb out. Now I'm just going to go in and pluck the hairline a little. I already bleached the knots and this hairline is pretty decent. It's not too full or anything, so I'm just going to do a little bit of plucking. If you're looking for a full detailed tutorial on how to pluck your frontal or your frontal wig, I have a video on that, and I'll leave the link in a card up here and also down in the description box. So after plucking, I went in and blow dried the hair, and now I'm going to go in and straighten the wig, and I'm using my Biosilk Silk Therapy to get a super sleek look, and I'm using my favorite flat iron ever. Both items will be linked down in the description box. So now it's time to put the wig on, and I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. And I'm going to be using 2 products to put it on, the Got2b Glue and the Pump It Up spray. So I put like 2 layers of the Got2b Glue on, and then just a couple of spritz of the Pump It Up. And most people say they use cool air to dry the glue, but to me the hot air works so much better. It dries a lot faster. And when I go to cut the wig cap, you'll see that there's a spot that really didn't dry that well, and that's when I was using the cool shot air. And when I went in afterwards and start using hot air, it worked so much better. So that's just a tip from me, you know, to use hot air instead of cool air like a lot of people say. So this wig is really full and long, and I usually don't like my wigs super full, but this one is an exception. I really like it. So now I'm just cutting the lace off around the whole entire wig, and then I'm going to apply 1 coat of the Got2b Glue Gel on the skin, just like maybe half an inch of the Got2b Glue Gel, because I did pluck my middle part before when it was on the mannequin head, and as you can see I should have went back a little bit further with the plucking because it goes like from wide to narrow, but I'm gonna fix that later. But I just hate that I didn't do it, you know, before I filmed this. So now I'm just going to get the wig all the way together. I'm going to snatch it up, and I'm going to spray some of the Pump It Up spray on the flyaways. And this is like my new thing. Like, this is my first time ever trying the Pump It Up spray, and I am absolutely insanely in love with the Pump It Up spray. Like, it's everything. It's my new go-to for hair because it just sleek down my flyaways so easily, and like they're stuck, they're not going anywhere. So now I'm doing my baby hairs, and I feel like I'm getting a lot better with the look. Like, this is definitely not a natural look. I love the extraness of the baby hairs. You know, if I'm gonna wear a wig and I'm gonna wear makeup, it's gonna be all the way. That's just how I see things. Like, you know, sometimes I like natural, but most of the time I love over the top. So I'm loving these over the top baby hairs. I think I'm getting better. The more and more I practice, the better I get. So now I'm just making sure everything's on point. There's no flyaways, there's nothing sticking up, no lace out of place. Just making sure everything is put together and really cute. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Ywigs. The information for this wig and to their store will be down in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at ChristiJae. And I will see you guys in my next video.